So remember the last part of part 3 for the depreciation, which it says the check for the net amount of this transaction was entered in the bank account, which is correct, but was incorrectly treated as purchase of trading stock. So our purchase figure that we have in the question, which is 1,105,000, that needs to be reduced by the check that we wrote for the purchase of this new vehicle. Now remember, the cost of the vehicle was 67. We got an allowance of 11, so we're only writing a check for 56,000. So to reduce our purchases by 56,000, because it shouldn't be in our purchases, it should be in our depreciation account. Even coming from our bank. So as a phrase, so it was entered the bank account correctly, so the bank is correct, but it was treated as purchase of trading stock. So we're going to reduce our purchases then by the check amount that we wrote and stuck it into the wrong account.